The Pegasus Initiative, a Time Walker's Journal. Entry number 1, Los Alamos Complex, 1968. They told us it was a government study in quantum field cognition, that we were part of something to help understand time, not control it. But even as a child, I knew something incredible was happening beneath the desert. We weren't just watching history. We were walking inside it. The Quiet Experiment. It began as an offshoot of advanced energy research under a joint military-academic initiative, codenamed Project Pegasus. Hidden beneath a New Mexico research station, the early work drew from forgotten patents attributed to Nikola Tesla and emerging quantum theory. The core concept? Accessing temporal folds, natural currents of time-space energy. Scientists believed certain humans, particularly young minds, could mentally interact with these currents when assisted by experimental technologies. Harmonic field generators, consciousness amplifiers, and a prototype chair that interfaced with the mind's electromagnetic signature. The children called it the dream chair. Explorers in the fold. We were trained to phase in, to remain calm when the chamber spun into light and vibration. Some reported déjà vu, others described entire lifetimes passed in what was, to outside observers, just minutes. The most advanced among us, like Duncan, Lena, and myself, began to retain details. We visited historical events, observed moments long past, and occasionally glimpsed what felt like futures not yet written. There were rules. Never speak while inside a fold, never change anything, and above all, never believe it's a dream. Because if you believe that, you might never find your way back. The Temporal Atlas. Our journeys began to align with a secret initiative, mapping probable timelines and cataloging anchor points in Earth's history. We were shown places like Gettysburg before Lincoln's arrival, a domed city suspended in clouds labeled Solar Haven 2140, a red desert with twin moons, though no one confirmed if it was Earth, each mission was logged. Each child paired with a mentor. They told us we were building a better world, one fold at a time. But we noticed something strange. Some children didn't return. And time didn't always behave the same after each trip. The closing of the program. By the early 1980s, the technology changed. Some of it was moved. Rumors spread of a portal in Alaska, another in South America. There were whispers of the program merging with something called Looking Glass. Eventually, we were told Project Pegasus was finished, that our memories would fade, but mine didn't, and neither did the signals, strange pulses still traceable near old sites. I've tracked several, and I'm not the only one. Entry number 87, present day. I met someone today who remembers. She drew a symbol I hadn't seen since 1972, a shape used only inside the program. It glowed on the chamber wall when time was ready to open. We're finding each other again. The Time Walkers. And maybe it's no accident, because I believe Pegasus didn't fail. It simply paused,